Welcome to my channel. I am today cooking lemon carrot achar. Let's move on to the recipe. First of all, for lemon cutting, 2 carrots, small size cut. Your taste according, salt and half teaspoon turmeric and mixing properly. To our marinade and some spices, add achar spicy and add chili flakes, mixing properly. Add jar and store 7 day, 14 day. Add mustard oil and fix jar. My carrot achar is ready. 7 days it tastes best. You can try my recipe. Please subscribe me. You suggest me what is next video. Bye bye.